Hello! In this fast-paced world where everybody is trying to be smarter and quicker than the other person, have you ever wondered what is it that can make your child better at it? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 important things. Foods that can help have a proper brain functioning, a good bone development, clubbed with an amazing immunity and stamina building for the child between 5 to 15 years of age. So do watch this video till the end, and if it makes any sense to you, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Welcome you to the series ABCD, all about children's diet, episode 2. Specific foods that help the brain functions. Curcumin, which is present in turmeric, and cinnamon. Both these herbs are antidepressant and excellent for the brain development. Apart from this, some Ayurvedic herbs like Medhya Rasayan, Shankapushpi, Brahmi have their amazing benefits on the brain development of the child. Also, certain foods like the pumpkin seeds, the flax seeds, walnuts are excellent. Almonds can never be forgotten. So as we all know, it should be soaked, and the first food that you can give to your child in the morning could be a soaked combination of nuts, in which almonds have to be an essential part for their overall development. Certain other foods like the eggs, apple, plums, the kesar milk, chyawanprash, amla candies are excellent source to boost the memory in children. If your child is craving for a lot of sugar, that indicates that the brain development needs to be looked upon very carefully. Moving on next to the stamina building and the immunity boosting foods. So during this pandemic in COVID-19, everybody has been working on their immune levels. And as parents, we have been worried what could be the kind of foods that can help build a good, strong immunity for our children. So here comes the list of foods that help build immunity in children. A strong digestive system is indicative of a strong immunity. Does it happen with every climatic condition your child is suffering from cold or fever and has become a chalta firta thermometer? Does it happen that with every change of the place the child is undergoing some motion disturbances? Well, if it is so, then you need to check on their immunity levels. From the kitchen, what you can really work on your recipes and work around to give the children these kind of foods is tulsi, amla, ginger, haldi and ashwagandha. Apart from this, also certain green leafy vegetables like spinach is a rich source of building up immunity. Pumpkin seeds, again pumpkin, which is very rich source of iron as well as a rich source of vitamin A. Sprouts, honey, milk and milk products like cheese, dahi, that is yogurt, buttermilk are excellent to build up a strong immunity. Watermelon and all kind of citrus fruits are also an amazing source to build up good immunity in children. Amla juice, the nimbu pani, the sprouts, apricots, pulses, and apart from this, some vegetables like the sweet potatoes, the green peas, root vegetables, dark chocolate, yogurt, quinoa, brown rice, all these are excellent to build up a strong immunity. अब आप पूछेंगे इसमें बचा क्या? Well, मैं आपसे एक ही बात कहूँगी. There is a combination of food that needs to be given to a child. So आप उनकी immunity को बढ़ाने के लिए एक simple rule का use कर सकते हैं. And the rule is, make sure that you are incorporating 3 different colors in their diet plan throughout the day. 3 different colors. So it can come from vegetables, it can come from fruits, it can be a part of the nuts as well. So 3 different colors to boost up the immunity in children. Children are growing and their bones require a lot of calcium. Now, not only calcium but also magnesium and vitamin D. Both these are cofactors in absorption of the calcium. So अगर आप उनको calcium rich foods दे रहे हैं, you need to make sure कि उनकी body में enough vitamin D है. So vitamin D के लिए the best source is sunlight or salmon as a fish, tuna as a fish. And now for those who are vegetarians, walnuts is again a good source and flax seeds also can be added to their diet. Apart from this, over the counter you can for now. So the bone health is very essential, and what we really focus on, not only on the calcium rich foods like broccoli, the cauliflower, bananas or milk and milk products for that matter, but we also need to make sure कि हम उसके साथ enough amounts of vitamin D उनके diet में दे रहे हैं. If your child is someone who keeps running around throughout the day in the house or plays a lot of sports, then stamina and repair and building tissues is a very important part in their daily routines. To make sure that their stamina levels are developed, the first and foremost for all sports loving children is to maintain a good hydration status, which is around 2.5 liters of water throughout the day. Citrus fruits like amla, lemon and a lot of other citrus fruits and vegetables that are needed for the repair and immunity building of this kind of particularly children who are into such kind of activities. Eggs for that matter are a wholesome meal in itself, not only to boost their stamina but also helps in the brain development, in the immunity and various other functions in the body. So for vegetarians or for those who consume non-veg, eggs is a very good source. Otherwise, bananas, peanut butter, spirulina, all these kind of things can be added into a diet where you need to boost up your stamina. Beetroot juice is ideal for children not only in building up the stamina and helping them repair the wear and tear of the tissues, but also for building up a strong immunity and a very good iron level. So with this, we understand that the bone, the brain, the immunity and the repair and the stamina building foods together eaten in combination included in your daily diet can help your child deal with the pressures of their daily routines in a much stronger and a better way. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you have jotted down your notes and incorporating all these foods into your diet in the correct manner. This is Prerna, your nutritionist. For now, coming up next would be a lot of other topics dealing with children under this series ABCD. So stay tuned till then. Thank you so much.